Daddy, can I have baby?
Big one.
Papa, give me baby. The baby. Give me the baby. Yeah, that right there, baby. Hey, big. Off, big one. The big one. Stop it! Cat. That's mine, mommy.
Wanna fight?
Daddy, put the small one. The small one. Big.
Careful on trees.
Put that small one in the big one. Daddy, why is it red? Daddy, remember
Natapik siya para makakagat.
Daddy, remember we found a really big one? Bigger than this one? She, where's Mia? Daddy, what's that? Is that another king crab?
Yeah.
Another one, another one.
Andreas!
Hey, look!
Bigger. Ang laki.
Daddy, make it fight
Ito,
with the
Tito.
other
Ilagay
big
mo
one.
dyan.
Daddy,
Kumakain
fight
pa siya.
with
Kumakain
the
pa
other
siya.
big one.
Dada, what?
One.
Dada, what?
One.
Dada, what?
Bigger.
How come fight with the other big one? Make it fight.
Huwag fight ka dyan.
Yes, fight. Wow, so big.
Oh my gosh, dito nakahoy na yung chicken. Oh my gosh, dito nakahoy na yung chicken. Oh my gosh, dito nakahoy na yung chicken.
Oh, sa kanya na.
Is it okay? They took it. They
Okay.
took it.
Okay lang anak, nakapain naman tayo na. No, Ate Bem!